Hi, it's me, I'm Jermaine Callando, and I'm back. It's officially a new year, and this is the first video I made in a few months, actually. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of you want me to say, it's been so long, and I'm not gonna lie, it has. January happened, and I happened. In January, a lot of stuff happened with my car. I have my original car back. And also, I am finally going back to what I love, stand-up. Last time I performed was December, and this is my second time performing. Well, it's my first time doing open mic tonight. When you see this, this is on Monday. So I was gonna start vlogging, and I'm back. So what y'all don't know is this, you're gonna get music as my little thing. No more intros because honestly, there's no point, just get to the video. Also, I'm going to be trying my best to give you 3, 6, 7 to 10 minutes max. And I'm not gonna lie, you see this now on Facebook, you see this now on Instagram, and you see this now on YouTube. Why are we doing so many different platforms? Because I lost a lot of you. Not because I wanted to, or because I said fuck everybody. And yes, I'm not monetized. I can say cuss words still. Yes. But I will not do it too much because that's still weird for me too. Why go too hard? As that happened, my hair kind of still swelled out. I do have some ideas what I want to do with my hair on this channel. And I promise you, I don't know if I'll do it. That's how much of a realistic I've become closer to 30. I'll be 30 within, actually literally now, 2 more months. One time you see this, it'll be 2 months and 7 days. See? No, I know I'm releasing it. So, what's amazing is that I am brushing up my old school skills and everything like that. Also, I'm doing fitness. You'll get a fitness situation Wednesday or Thursday. Just make up my mind. And the reason why is because I'm going to give you only 3 videos a week. That's because I want to give y'all reaction videos. And doing reaction videos for me will be hard because I don't have a camera. And I don't look on my camera. I have to get a setup situation. And I got to talk to somebody about that. So literally you're going to get that soon. And I'm going to be giving y'all some type of thing like that. But it won't happen until March. Why is that? Because honestly, February is a long month. It's very short for some of you people, but it's 29 days this year. And I'm not going to do Black History Month because guess what? I'm black. I know my history. But for those that don't, for all the kids that watch this, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and also 19 if you know, came a late. Black History Month is a big deal for a school. Also for you. If you are black, this is your roots. If you are not black, non-black, this is also American history. There are more important people that's a part of Black history than we want to act like. If your teacher are you lucky, you will have a good teacher that's going to tell you a lot more stuff than you know. What I want you to also realize is this. Black History Month, not just 28 days, not just 29 days, every damn day. That you're black, you should want to learn about yourself. Know about the melanin that you are. Know that the man that you're becoming, the woman that you're becoming, the non-binary person you're becoming, the trans person that you're becoming. All those things matter. Know who you are. Know what you come from. Yes, there's a Latin month. I think that's in May. Yes, there's an Asian month. Don't know what that is. I'm so sorry. And for all whites that watches this, you are pretty much history. You need a month? Stop it. Is there? Yeah, we have a gay month too. So sexual orientation, we have a month. That's me covering my ground. Also, this is a month that I want to really tell people I'm going to be trying my best to watch as much black movies as possible. That means in March, you're going to get some black reviews. Because I love them. Yes. I love us for real. Thank you, Monique, for that line. I am trying my best to watch some documentaries for comedy and also get to my own roots. You'll be seeing this shirt all month long because Valentine's Day happens in this month. And that's really the hardest thing because we have a commercialized holiday and a holiday for remembrance of blacks. I don't know which one you're going to want me to do. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna do some funny with the comedy. I'm a better person. So honestly, I just made a video probably for stand-up on Saturday. And you'll see another video for stand-up for me. Comedy, all my comedy videos will be always on Saturday. I like doing Saturday, so you have to see it's weekend, so I get it out from Saturday to Sunday to Monday. You'll see this video, I'm trying to get it out to people Monday and Tuesday. And then Wednesday, Thursday, when I do my fitness thing, I'm going to tell you about what's going on with me. Why? Because I do not believe in resolutions. No, New Year's resolution's stupid. That's why I didn't do anything for like most of January, because a lot of y'all are like, I'm changing, and then you didn't. Yeah, I know, you're still bitter. Sorry about it. You still got that 10 pounds that you trying to lose? Sorry about it. And cuffing season is almost over. Yes, I want you to know I remember everything. So, I had a video last year, 3 years ago, that told you Happy Valentine's Day. Also, on the 15th, Happy Side Person Day. Or the 13th, Happy Side Person Day. Every Valentine's Day does not matter. Now, honestly, if you really want me to give you more videos about Valentine's Day every day, I will. All the other videos, like my daily videos for Instagram and Facebook, will happen. Those will happen in a car. Those will happen while I'm doing something. Those will happen every day. Why? Because those are different than this. This is on a channel that's going to give you me. I'm trying to give you a promotion of this, me as a person. Those other videos will not be promoted as much because guess what? It's on my regular account. Guess what? It's just on Instagram. Guess what? It's not on my Insta thing. So, as this is ending, I'm giving you an update of, hey, I'm Jermaine Callando. This is who I am. Nice to meet you. It's 2020. It's a new year. I'll be 30 soon. I'm still alive. Is that a good thing? And also, I have opinions. You're going to see a lot of them. There will be something that's happening soon for Mondays. And I'm going to be doing all that soon. Most of that will not occur until March. So if you're doing all these things and reading this and trying to have your notifications up, thank me if this is YouTube. Subscribe to this channel. Also, if you like me, add like the page. Go to Instagram. All my name is the same. I learned from the past. IAMJAC, that still is me. It's really my initials. Jermaine A. Callando. I try my best to do the A because y'all will be like, where's the A? We need to find the I. The A only exists on Facebook. And I'm so sorry. But it's just for Facebook. Now, all you out there, please keep supporting me. Also, remember, YouTube matters. You want to see me more on YouTube? Go to YouTube and watch all my old videos. If you want to keep seeing me on Facebook, Facebook doesn't matter. I have videos up here. Watch them now. And on Instagram, we can like old stuff. I don't care. Insta stalk me. I like it a lot. See you soon with the next one. And also, thank you for watching. I love you. Also, I love us for real. You get it.